स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू योर एजुकेशनल चैनल स्मार्ट लर्निंग विद रितु मैम। बच्चों, आपको सर्किल्स की थ्योरम में दिक्कत होती है ना? बच्चों, आज मैं आपको सर्किल्स की बहुत सारी थ्योरम्स हैं, उनका प्रूफ समझाने जा रही हूँ बाय द पेपर फोल्डिंग मेथड। तो इसमें एक एक्टिविटी भी करेंगे हम और इन सारी थ्योरम्स को समझेंगे जिससे कि हमें हमेशा याद रहे। ओके, आइए चलते हैं।
Take a colorful A4 size sheet and fold it. Draw a circle with any radius and then cut the circle. As you can see, I have 6 congruent circles. Now we will prove that angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. First of all, make a sharp fold along the diameter and then 2 folds to make an angle in a semicircle. Let us draw the lines along the folds and now measure the angle. Yes, this angle is 90 degree. Hence proved. Now we will prove that angles in the same segment are equal. Now make a fold along the chord and then make 2 angles in the same segment. Remember, the folds must be very neat and clean, very sharp. Now draw lines along the folds so that you can easily measure the angles. As you can see that both angles are equal. Hence proved. Now we will prove that center angle is double of remaining part angle by the same arc. Now make fold along the chord and then make folds with the center to make center angle and then with the remaining part angle. Now again draw the lines along the folds and measure the angles. You can see that the center angle will be double of remaining part angle. Hence proved. Now we will prove that sum of opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now make cyclic quadrilateral by folding the paper and then draw the lines. After measuring, you will see that the sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. This will prove the theorem. Now we will prove that equal chords are equidistant from the center. For this, mark for 2 equal chords. Now make fold to represent the equal chords. Now make folds along the perpendicular of equal chords with the center like this. And then draw the lines along the folds. After measuring, you will see that both equal chords are equidistant from the center. Now we will prove that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Now make fold along a chord and then draw the perpendicular from the center on the chord, just like this. Now draw the line along the folds. You will see that the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. The two parts are of equal length. Now paste all these circles on a sheet such that each and every fold can be foldable.
तो देखा आपने कितनी इजी है ये थ्योरम्स, और इस तरह से एक एक्टिविटी भी हो गई और हमें सारी थ्योरम्स समझ में भी आ गई। ओके,
अगर आपने अब तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ उसको सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन ज़रूर प्रेस करें नए वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन लेने के लिए। वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक यू सो मच। गॉड ब्लेस यू।